Do we really hate our brothers to the extent we call them niggas? Outcasting you and me when it would have been better off dressing as Blue-Eyed Billy. See, our tongues are foul enough to lynch the next generation, cause all the while our sisters are hoes. We created blackness to dispose babies before they make it, simply by labeling them little niggas. Before they get the chance to be a child, it's cute to you that their mouths are foul, and it's quite normal for black seeds to be fatherless, so they grow to be sin in apples like Eden. And the only seed the father leaves is this lingering life of a nigga. And underneath black gravel he thrusts his mother ebony earth grapples the floor of life to fertilize his ignorant legacy. We're blind and can't see. We're segregated by painting hues of the rainbow, even if hues of our skin is like twin brothers from the same womb. And y'all basically doing what them racists wanted y'all to do. We rep so many colors, but none is fighting for our skin. Subliminal lies, they called us colored. Even when still today, it's the white man that's changing. See, we stay black even when beaten. But us being brothers don't mean shit in them alleys in them streets we live in. And I promise not to stay shy in this city I'm repping. But we hang up brotherly love like triple K's are still lynching us on family trees, seeing how brothers, known as niggas, ignorantly hang together. We entertain them because we're so animated they see the tunes in us. Like being so delusional as if they injected shrooms in us and it's sick with our own epidemic. It's a new genocide when there's a Glock in the hand of a black man. No praying, just spraying all kind like graffiti artists. Vandalisms of souls like brick walls, so they painted me a picture of black people titled Red Paintings. Do we hate our women to the extent we call them bitches? Propaganda for the youth, but nothing's proper in it. And then chicks are calling each other bitches, and I can't see how it's found when our ancestors was cursed with that cursing. Nor is there anything fancy about it, even if bitch was written in cursive. Nor is there anything good about a good bitch when her intentions are better. You see, they made our sisters worthless. Knew in this they said our sisters weren't missing when it was known for them to dress in tribal rags and dresses. They raped and called it porn, so now brothers are addicted. And that's where they learned their lessons of hitting it and quitting it. In the same way it was beating our mothers' orifice, it's the same way these punks normally raise their fists. Not boycotts nor Black Panther paws, but their cause to show how hard they are, like erected penises. But it really just shows how soft they are. Raise hands to a woman though you ain't praising her, you see it's senseless. Do we hate our women along with playing dice games with statistics? And it's like love only comes when you're placing periods between it, which makes the word in reference to the acronym frivolous. So now love really do open necks easily. Do we hate each other? What's wrong? Cause you see, we're pushed through walls from spirit world where we're innocent, till we're plastered on our faces to our mother split hymens and lips for kissing. And she breeds a generation of haters. No one's generous, only takers. And without any of these actions being legit, see, the pussy pops a pussy by mistake till baby's popping, or he thrusts hard with our hard hats for protection. And though he can't see man's project in production, he already knows that his semen is more than likely constructing babies without proper parental guidance. It's like we hate ourselves and hate him or her, so as life goes on, opposites stop attracting, so they bicker back and forth like that's the fatal attraction. So she starts liking girls and he acts like a girl, and they're curious about their ex-mate, so now they rocking both worlds like Jewels, they both got a Charlotte Russe. But you see, they're just bi-curious. And nothing's wrong with being inquisitive, but their incentives are inhumane brains they think with. We tend to have animal instincts, play roles of beasts, that's why people kill in streets, but she be pussy like kitten and he be vicious like dogs, so they hit each other next Norway, like that's the way of life. Or if you can't beat them, then join the team you beef with. And no offense, but now we got fags and studs competing with genders opposite of them. Like it's obsolete to be free and keep it as Adam and Eve, where fig leaves don't cover us and hormones don't rage from nudity. Intercourse with the world gives shitty attitudes and insanity, so we're left seducing ourselves out of blessings the Lord's creating. We're fingering ourselves with the middleman. Playing devil's advocate because of many actions on the term of sin and turmoil within. Hence I pose these questions. Do we hate our brothers and sisters? What is this picture being pixeled in? Picture that in focus.